Hey guys, my name is Donita and welcome to my channel. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. If this is your very first time here, please let me know in the comments below how you found my channel. On this channel I do clothing hauls, black love, travel vlogs, and of course my main wig reviews. Today we're going to do another unboxing video with my Tory Burch bag. So make sure y'all subscribe and hit that notification bell so you get reminders every time I post a video, and we're going to dive right in and we're going to have a little chit chat and some girl talk, okay? So welcome back, y'all. I got my bag and we are unboxing it for the first time, but let me just give y'all a little bit of backstory, you know, as to how I came about this bag, because this was not originally in my plans. So your girl ordered the Jacquemus bag and I'm gonna show y'all a clip on TikTok of the story of how I got that bag.
Hey guys, my name is Donita. I originally wanted to come on here and do an unboxing video for my Jacquemus bag, but y'all, I actually had to come on here and ask y'all a question because y'all, I got my bag, it's cute, and I'm loving the color. So I low-key manifested this color, y'all. Last year when it was raving all over TikTok and the girlies was getting their bags, I was like, I'm gonna get the violet one, and they didn't have a violet one. I was like, well, I know they're gonna make one because they were making all these fun colors. I was like, they have to make a violet one, I know they are. So I waited. And not only did the price go up, I got my bag. It was available in this color. I don't know when it came out. It must be new because I randomly went on there and checked and it was there. So I decided to get it because, you know, last year they was selling out and I was like, I want my bag. But y'all, so just so you see, the strap is in the original packaging. I just got this bag. It came in 2 days. And I wanted to ask y'all, has anyone else's bag have like a slight discoloration? You see it right here, right here, right here. Like, y'all, I'm sorry, but for $810, like, this bag needs to be 100% flawless. So I did reach out to their customer service. I asked them, you know, like, is this normal? Because I don't recall seeing anybody's bags looking like this on TikTok or YouTube. So I'm going to see what they say. It's Saturday here in the U.S. Yeah, I'm going to just wait and see what they say and go from there. But if for some reason I do have to switch the color, I'll probably get the purple one. But I really wanted this one, y'all. It's so cute. You know, I'm starting my designer collection. I do have a few different bags, and I wanted to add a pop of color because I'm typically like a nudes and neutral kind of girl, you know. So I was like, I want to add color to my collection this year. So let me know what y'all think. What would y'all do in this like situation?
Okay, so I ordered my Jacquemus bag, and I personally think for $810 US, it is not worth the price. I am a leather girl. I'm familiar with leathers and brands and things like that. I used to work at Coach. Coach is one of the main companies that have the best leather out there in the game. So don't sleep on Coach, y'all. But I'm very familiar with leathers and things like that. So when I got my Jacquemus bag, I just looked at it, I felt it, and I was just like, this is not worth $810. I pride myself when I buy luxurious things because that's a treat to myself, and I want to make sure I am getting my money's worth. And when I was looking at the coloring, I don't know, like, you know how when you're painting with marker and you can tell there's like darker spots and then lighter spots where you're painting, that's how the bag looked. And it wasn't like super noticeable, but because I have attention to detail like that, I noticed it. And I don't know if they dip the bags, I don't know if they hand paint them, I don't know what they do, but I was like, this is not worth $810. Like, if anything, between $5 and $6. And that's just my personal opinion. I do know that the price went up because last year the bag blew up all over TikTok, and I was like, I want the violet color and I'm gonna get it, and I just knew that they had it and they didn't have it. I made the color up and I was like, they're gonna make it because they're coming out with all these colors. I said, they're gonna make it. So I saw it, I got it. It came in 2 days. The customer service was amazing. I told them I wasn't satisfied with the bag. You know, I got free shipping, return, all that stuff. So yeah, my only issue was the coloring, and I was so disappointed. And so when I went online, I was like, okay, well, let me see about getting another color. I went and looked at the dark pink one. I noticed the same thing in the photos. It was like slight discoloration, like as if someone like hand painted it, or I don't know. Like I said, when you're coloring with marker and you go over something that you already colored and it's like slightly darker, that's how it looked. And so I was like, okay, well, let me go look at the purple one. Same exact thing. I can tell in the photos. And I was like, this is gonna bother me. You know, shout out to all the girlies out there that got the bag. It's so cute, and I'm highly disappointed because I really wanted it. I still want it, but I was trying, like, I'm trying to be logical about it, and I was like, $810 in slight imperfection. I'm like, no, it needs to be perfect. So, and I just don't think the quality of the leather is like, I don't know. I just don't think it's worth the price. So that's just my personal opinion. So I returned the bag. And I was like, I still need a bag. So I went to Tory Burch. I got me a bag, y'all. And this is it. This is it. Packaging. Comes with a note. Thank you. Our brand was started with a founding principle to empower women. We hope you love your order and are thrilled you are a part of our community. Tory Burch. So, this bag, oh, it's heavy, y'all. It's heavy. So I ordered the Eleanor, and that was another thing, y'all. I could not pronounce Jacquemus's name. Jacquemus, y'all. I could not pronounce his name, and I was like, why am I spending this much money for somebody's name I can't pronounce? Like, and bear with me, y'all. I'm slightly tipsy off this one. So I got the bag, Eleanor. The style number is 146690. It was on sale. And I didn't get it because it was on sale, but I got it because I wanted to pop a color. I'm a nudes and neutral kind of girl. You know, the soft life, all that good stuff. So I'm like, I want to start adding color into my wardrobe. I want to start adding color into like the things that I wear, because I literally have chocolates, nudes, and blacks. So yeah, yeah. And this is the bag. It's so cute. It can be worn as a crossbody. You can also wear it as a shoulder strap. And you can wear it, you know, as a clutch too if you just want to hold it. But I'm loving this bag, y'all. It's cute. This is literally out of my comfort zone. Out of my comfort zone. I'm loving the gold hardware. I'm loving the color. It's like a sea green. And then this, I'm assuming this can come off. I don't know. I'm not messing with it because I don't want to accidentally break it. Actually, no, it doesn't. It's stuck. It's stuck in there. Comes with a dust bag. I love my dust bags. And this is what the inside looks like. So you can fit a decent amount of items in here. I could fit my phone in here, my card case. There's another little pocket right here. You know, some lip glosses, all of that stuff. But yeah, y'all, that's it. This is a cute bag. So it retails for $648 plus tax. I got it for, it was like $450, $60-ish, and with tax it came to like $480, $490. So this bag's on sale, y'all. Go get it. Run. I think Tory Burch is an amazing brand. I love them. I do. This is my second bag from her. But yeah, I think you get your money's worth. I really do. It's patent leather, so if I spill something on it, I can easily wipe it off. I'm already putting like fingerprints on it because your girl was making homemade shea butter, and I swear I washed my hands, but yeah. But yes, this bag is cute. It's so cute. So let me know what y'all think in the comments below. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. Let me know what y'all think, okay? Let me know what y'all think. Thanks for watching, and I will see you guys next time.